can't believe everybody's here. So I just want to say, mille grazie per essere venuto. In other words, thank you all so much for coming here with us.
You guys make each other better people, and that, at the end of the day, is what every partnership is about. Marriage isn't hard, but it is hard work. It's dealing with hard things together every day with your best friend by your side. And when you find the right person, the blessings always outweigh the sacrifices.
Thank you for joining us for Grace and Joe's wedding celebration.
I knew you were the one the day that I met you and was instantly captivated by your warmth, beauty, kindness, and slightly above average sense of humor. And those same qualities have captivated me every day since. We've already done so much life together, as Greg alluded to beautifully. And I feel incredibly blessed to be able to continue on our journey together as husband and wife. I love you.
Love you, Grace. You are a daughter to us. You are a sister to Catherine. You are an amazing addition to the family. Joe, we're so proud of you. We're so proud of both of you and the young man you've become. Raise a glass. Let's wish Joe and Grace a wonderful life, wonderful happiness, all the good times in the world. Chin chin, salute.
Joe, I think you know this, but just to remind you, you are my world. You're half of my heart. I think you're like 85% of my heart, actually. You make me feel so loved, so beautiful, so wanted, and so happy. Every day I wake up next to you is like the newest, best day of my life. I'm proud of you every day. I'm impressed by you every day. I'm thankful to have you as my best friend and partner. I can't wait to build a family with you. And I love you more than anything in the world.
These two have grown over the years. They've evolved as two kids with crushes on each other, to good friends, to best friends, to soulmates, and now partners in life.
Again, we're overjoyed to get a girl like Grace for the Arcrease family is just the best. It really is.
Joe is the perfect balance for Grace. He is her steady rock. He brings her down to earth when she's overthinking things. He is supportive and proud of her career. He is her best friend. Joe, Grace is so lucky, and we are so lucky to have you in our family and to have your wonderful family whom we love. Grace, I have been so proud to see you grow up into the person you are today. And I'm even prouder that despite our age gap, we've become best friends.
So let's raise a glass to Joe and Grace. A lot of people think we peaked in high school. But let's be honest, Joe peaked right here.
So to Joe and Grace, let's raise a glass. Chin chin.
Grace, I give you this ring as a sign of my love and commitment to you.
Let it be a reminder that I choose you above all others and will always be by your side.
And with the love and support of everyone gathered here today, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your ring.